Hi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video we are going to crochet this cute water bottle holder. It's very beautiful and it's very easy to make. To make this water bottle holder you're going to need 3 colors of yarn, and we are going to put the handle as we work along. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm using a size 3.5mm crochet hook for this tutorial. You make a magic ring, and you chain 1. In your magic ring, work 12 single crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you work 6 more single crochets. When you work 12 single crochets, you're going to pull your tail and tighten your ring. To end your round 1, work a slip stitch in your first stitch. To begin your round 2, chain 1, and in this your chain 1 space you're going to work 2 single crochet. 1, 2 single crochet. So for your round 2 you're working 1 single crochet, 1 increase, that is 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. So we are working the base of the bottle handle. You work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and you're going to repeat the pattern to the end. When you get to the end, you work a slip stitch on your first stitch. To begin your round 3, you're going to chain 1 and you work 2 single crochet in this your chain 1 stitch. And for your round 3, you're working 2 single crochet, 1 increase. So that's 1, 2, next you work 1 increase. One single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 increase. One single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 increase. And you're going to repeat this pattern to the end. At the end, you work a slip stitch on your first stitch to end your round 3. So to begin your round 4, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to work 2 single crochet in the same chain 1 stitch. And for your round 4, you're working 3 single crochet, 1 increase. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 1 increase. 1, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and you have 1 increase. One single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 1 increase. You work a slip stitch on your first stitch and your round 4. Now yarn in this tail. To begin your round 5, you're going to chain 1 and work 2 single crochet in your chain 1 stitch. 1 and 2 single crochet, and for your round 5 you're working 4 single crochet, 1 increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you work an increase. So we've come to the end of our round 5. So as you work, you should measure your base to your bottle, to your water bottle, like so, to see if the base is going to be okay. This one we are still going to work 1 more round for this base. So around 6, we're going to slip stitch on our first stitch, and we're going to chain 1 and work 2 single crochet. So for your round 6, you're working 6 single crochet, 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're working 5 single crochet, sorry, you're working 5 single crochet, 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet and 1 increase. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 increase. We have come to the end of our round 6, and this is okay. This base is okay for this water bottle. So when I put it, it's okay. So you're going to end at round 6. You're going to work a slip stitch on your first stitch when you're done with your base. And to begin your next round, you're going to chain 1, and now you'll be working single crochet stitches on the back loop of your stitch only. 1 single crochet and less. 1 single crochet, and make sure your stitches are not tied. So you're working single crochet stitches only on the back loop. And remember to keep your stitches loose. When you get to the end, you work a slip stitch on your first stitch, and you're going to chain 1. Now you're going to work on these 2 loops. This stitch after, you're not working there. The next stitch, you work on these 2 front loop. You work a single crochet, and in the next stitch you work 1 single crochet, and you're going to skip this stitch. In the next stitch you work a single crochet on this 2 front loop, and you work 1 single crochet. You leave this 2 and this next 2 front loop, that's where you're going to work. You work a single crochet, you leave this 2, and next, the first round is usually a little bit challenging, but from the next round is going to be very easy. And remember to keep your stitches loose. You work a single crochet, single crochet, you're going to skip this 2, and you work a single crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat this pattern to the end. So I've come to the end, and this is where we started. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to work a single crochet, and now we are going to end with a slip stitch. Now to begin the next round, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to skip this first stitch. Now you have this single crochet in the middle of these 2, so you're going to work through the 2 loops, and you're going to put a stitch marker, and you work your single crochet in the next stitch. So here you have to skip this stitch and work on these 2 loops. You work a single crochet, you work a single crochet, and you work a single crochet. So you're going to repeat the pattern round. We are almost at the end of this round, so you can see we have these last 2 loops here. So you're going to work through these 2 loops, and next you work your single crochet, and this is where you started. Going to remove your stitch marker and you work a slip stitch, and you're going to chain 1, and you're going to begin your next round. So it is a repeat pattern, so you're not working in this stitch, you skip this stitch and walk through these 2 loops. And remember to keep your stitches loose. And next you work your single crochet, you skip a stitch, you walk through your 2 loops and work a single crochet, and you work a single crochet. So you're going to keep repeating the pattern until you work the length you want for your back, for your water bottle. And when you work 8 rounds for this first color, you're going to switch color. So you work 1, 2, 3, and you can count. So you work 8 rounds and then you switch colors. So this is the length I've worked for my water bottle. So we are going to measure. It's 20 centimeters. And for this last color, I had to use 2 strings of yarn, because this one, it's very tiny. So when I double it, it gave the same size as the first ones. When you've worked the length you want, you're going to end with slip stitch. So I'm going to work a single crochet here, and we take out the stitch marker, you work a slip stitch. Next you're going to be working single crochet stitches. So you work single crochet, slip stitches, slip stitch, when you reach the end, you're going to cut your yarn and you pull your working yarn up, and you're going to use your yarn needle to close. And you go ahead and yarn in your tail. When you're done, the next thing you're going to add is your is the strap. So I added the strap already, and now I'm going to show you how to make the back. I keep saying the back strap, the strap for the water bottle handle. It's very easy. So since I work with 2 strands of yarn for this color, I'm going to go with the 2 strands of yarn. With the 2 strands of yarn, so you work a slip knot, and you're going to work chains enough for the length you want for your strap. For this one, I work 120 chains. So now when you work the chains you want for your strap, what you're going to do is you're going to work on the back loop of your chain. So you're going to skip the last chain on the hook and you start working from the second, and you're going to be working on the back loop. You work on the back loop to the end. When you are at the end, you're going and you're left with two. Okay, this is the last chain. You're going to stay with these two loops on the hook, and you're going to take your next color and you're going to pass it through, and you chain one, and you're going to flip your work, and you work single crochet. You work single crochet. And so this is it for this tutorial. This is how your water bottle holder is going to turn out. So beautiful. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.